In this video, I'll show you how to run JavaScript with Node.js on Visual Studio Code. Running JavaScript with Node.js in Visual Studio Code is simple. To do that, go ahead and first install Node.js. Download and install Node.js from their official website. This will also install npm Node Package Manager. Now, after that, go ahead and set up Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new file with a JS extension. Now after that, go ahead and write your JavaScript code and add your JavaScript code in the file. So for example, you want to add JavaScript console.log parenthesis station mark hello world. Open the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code and navigate to the directory containing your JavaScript file using the cd command. Run the file using the command bash node apps.js. You should see the output in the terminal. You can also install the Code Runner extension in Visual Studio Code to run JavaScript files directly without using the terminal. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.